everyone, welcome back to my channel where I bring you the best in interior design inspiration. Today I am diving into the world of living room partitions, exploring creative ideas to enhance both functionality and aesthetics in your space. Let's kick things off with the classic sliding doors partition. Not only does it add a touch of elegance, but it also offers flexibility in space utilization. Whether you option for frosted glass for a modern look or traditional wooden panels for warmth, sliding doors are a versatile choice. Next up, I have the open shelving dividers. This design not only separates areas but also serves as a display for your favorite decor pieces, book and plants. It's perfect blend of functionality and style, allowing for visual continuity while defining distinct zone. Now let's talk about the beauty of room divider with integrated storage. These partitions not only creates privacy but also offers practical solutions for organizing belongings. From built-in cabin to cleverly concealed compartments, they maximize space efficiency without compromising on design. Moving on to something more artistic, decorative screens are a fantastic choice. They come in various materials like wood, metal, and even fabric, adding a layer of texture and visual interest to your living room. Plus, they can be easily moved or rotated for a dynamic layout. As I conclude our exploration of living room partition design, remember that the key is to blend functionality with aesthetics. Whether you choose a sleek sliding doors, a multifunctional storage divider, or a decorative screen, each option can transform your space into a harmonious and inviting environment. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home design tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating. Take care. Allah Hafiz.